Hello, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to today's Finance News, your absolute go-to channel for everything moving the markets, driving wealth, and shaping the future of global business. Today, we have three absolutely jam-packed updates about United States finance that just hit the wires and came to our notice only a few hours ago. If you are a true finance enthusiast, you do not want to miss a single second of these updates. The artificial intelligence and semiconductor sectors are undergoing a massive tectonic shift right now, and the smart money is moving fast. Before we dive into these breaking stories, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe right now so you can stay permanently in the loop with daily, actionable market insights. Let us get right into today's first massive headline. Update 1. The Artificial Intelligence Frontier, how one strategic alliance just slashed enterprise costs by 60%. Our first major story focuses on a massive development in the artificial intelligence infrastructure space. GoodVision Artificial Intelligence Incorporated has officially joined forces with the computing powerhouse NVIDIA Corporation by entering the prestigious NVIDIA Connect Partner Program. Now, do not mistake this for just another basic corporate partnership. This is a highly strategic integration aimed directly at solving the single biggest problem plaguing the artificial intelligence industry today: the staggering, unsustainable financial cost of running massive artificial intelligence models at scale. Right now, global enterprises are bleeding massive amounts of cash because they are paying premium frontier model prices for basic, routine computational tasks. GoodVision Artificial Intelligence is completely disrupting this space by building a highly sophisticated global compute architecture dedicated specifically to artificial intelligence inference. Their system operates seamlessly through three integrated pillars: advanced cloud services, a cutting-edge real-time smart routing engine, and a massive global network of purpose-built, immersion-cooled artificial intelligence factories. The crown jewel of this system is their real-time smart routing engine. Think of it as a hyper-intelligent digital traffic cop for computing power. Every single time an artificial intelligence request is made, this engine evaluates 4 critical metrics in mere milliseconds: the exact model complexity the job actually requires, the sensitivity level of the data, the user's specific cost ceiling, and the required latency target. It then instantly routes that request to the most cost-efficient model version and hardware configuration available across the globe. The real-world financial results of this architecture are absolutely stunning. In actual enterprise deployments, this smart routing system has successfully cut artificial intelligence inference costs by roughly 60%. Furthermore, it has slashed network latency by about 50%, while boosting the gross margins on related operations by around 50%. By joining the NVIDIA Connect program, GoodVision Artificial Intelligence now gains elite early access to NVIDIA's most advanced graphics processing unit platforms and highly specialized artificial intelligence software. According to David Wang, the Chief Executive Officer of GoodVision Artificial Intelligence, most corporations are currently overpaying for far more computing power than their systems actually require. This collaboration allows them to push their cost-saving numbers even further, making scaled artificial intelligence significantly more profitable for businesses. For investors tracking tech infrastructure, this represents a massive milestone in making artificial intelligence financially sustainable. Update 2. The $30 billion Silicon Alliance. Apple and Broadcom lock down U.S. tech dominance. Moving right along to our second massive update today, tech titan Apple Incorporated has just shocked the markets by signing a brand new, multi-year semiconductor mega deal with chip-making powerhouse Broadcom Incorporated. This absolute blockbuster agreement binds the two giants together in a massive deal valued at a staggering $30 billion or more over the next several years. The news immediately sent shockwaves through Wall Street, causing Broadcom shares to surge by 5% in mid-afternoon trading, while Apple shares ticked up by 1%. Now, why is this an absolute game changer for the markets and your investment portfolio? It all comes down to a massive strategic shift in global supply chains. For years, major tech firms have been heavily vulnerable to international disruptions, particularly in regions like Taiwan, where rising geopolitical tensions and the risk of a military conflict with China could completely paralyze global tech production overnight. To combat this, Apple is aggressively executing its American manufacturing program, which focuses on spending hundreds of billions of dollars to scale up domestic high-tech manufacturing right here in the United States. Under this massive $30 billion deal, Broadcom will be investing $1.5 billion to heavily update and expand its advanced manufacturing facilities located in Fort Collins, Colorado. This major financial injection will result in the domestic production of at least 15 billion specialized chips. Apple's chief executive officer, Tim Cook, noted that the components Broadcom manufactures at this Colorado facility, which include critical components that connect Apple devices to wireless fidelity networks, are absolutely essential to their product lineup. Furthermore, a recent Securities and Exchange Commission filing revealed that this partnership is locked in all the way through the year 2031, guaranteeing that Broadcom will supply custom chips for multiple future generations of Apple products. From a macroeconomic perspective, this deal aligns perfectly with the heavy political push from both the Biden and Trump administrations to make the United States a self-sufficient, highly capable producer of semiconductors and critical hardware. Looking at the market action, Apple shares have put together a strong run, climbing roughly 15% so far in 2026 to trade near their all-time high. On the flip side, while Broadcom gained 13% this year, its shares are still sitting about 20% below the record highs they hit in early June due to a highly volatile stretch for semiconductor stocks. This $30 billion alliance provides a massive, stable floor for Broadcom's long-term revenue and proves that domestic manufacturing is no longer just a trend. It is a financial powerhouse. Update 3. The $8 million exit. Cathie Wood shakes up tech portfolio with massive AMD sale. For our third and final blockbuster financial update, the celebrity stock picker and head of the ARK investment management empire, Cathie Wood, has made a major tactical move that is turning heads across Wall Street. In a single day of high-stakes trading on July 6th, Cathie Wood officially dumped over 15,000 shares of Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated through her flagship ARK Innovation Exchange Traded Fund. The total value of this massive single-day liquidating move? A staggering $8 million plus. Now, when a hyper-visible institutional investor like Cathie Wood aggressively sells a top-tier chipmaker, it naturally triggers a wave of anxiety among retail investors. People immediately start wondering if ARK's internal analytical algorithms are flashing an early warning signal or spotting hidden structural trouble within advanced micro devices that the general public is completely blind to. However, when you look beneath the surface of the data, this massive transaction is actually a brilliant masterclass in active portfolio management, rather than a lack of faith in the semiconductor giant. To truly understand this move, we have to travel back to February 4th of this year. Advanced Micro Devices had just dropped its fourth quarter and full-year financial results for 2025, and the market absolutely hated them, sending the stock crashing down by 17.3% in a 48-hour panic. While retail investors were frantically hitting the sell button, Cathie Wood saw a textbook buy the dip opportunity. Across 5 different ARK exchange-traded funds, she scooped up more than 141,000 shares of Advanced Micro Devices, investing a cool $28 million at a deep discount. That bold contrarian move paid off massively. By May 5th, the company absolutely crushed its 2026 first quarter earnings, posting a blowout revenue of $10.2 billion and earnings per share of $1.3 billion, completely obliterating Wall Street expectations. The stock, which opened at $351.51 on earnings day, skyrocketed to an opening price of $409.49 the very next morning. By July 7th, Advanced Micro Devices closed at an astronomical $516.11 per share. With the stock up a massive 140% so far this year, Cathie Wood is simply doing what elite money managers do, locking in heavy profits on an overheated stock to fund fresh, undervalued opportunities. In fact, on the exact same day she shaved $8 million off her chip position, 3 of her ARK exchange-traded funds reallocated $5.6 million into Kratos Defense and Security Solutions Incorporated. It is not a structural fire sale. It is a smart, rotating cash play. And that wraps up our 3 massive, fast-moving updates for today on today's finance news. From GoodVision's 60% artificial intelligence cost-slashing alliance with NVIDIA, to Apple's absolute monster $30 billion domestic semiconductor pact with Broadcom, and finally, Cathie Wood's masterful $8 million profit-taking rotation out of Advanced Micro Devices. The financial landscape is shifting at lightning speed. The smart money is moving aggressively to future-proof their portfolios against supply chain shocks and capture massive margins. Make sure your portfolio is positioned to win. If you found this breakdown valuable, give this video a massive thumbs up, hit that subscribe button right now, and turn on all notifications so you never miss a breaking beat in the financial world. Let me know in the comments below if you think Cathie Wood made the right move selling Advanced Micro Devices. Stay sharp, stay invested, and we will see you right back here on the very next update.